guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys my product empties, and when I'm telling you guys empties, give me 1 second. I have an entire bag, like literally look how deep this is. That is completely full, and I have to like literally chuck all of these. So there are a couple of products that are expired as well, and I've realized the importance of expiration dates or expiration dates. So there are a bunch of products that I cannot use them anymore, and there are so many that I've like completely used up. So this is gonna be a long video, but I'm gonna try brief through everything, because you guys know already all of these products, and these were some of my best and amazing favorites as well. So let's get started, and I'm gonna go very quick and faster because this is gonna be a really long video. So grab yourselves nice popcorn and relax and enjoy. So I'm gonna try doing it quicker and faster. I do have a bunch of reviews on these products throughout my channel. You can check them out, and these are all products that I really enjoyed. If there is something that I did not enjoy, I will definitely let you guys know. So the first one I have is this one. This is the Bath & Body Works Aromatherapy Energy. There's like literally like this much left, and I'm not able to like take it outside. So I'm gonna try it once again, do all the things that I can to remove that, and then chuck it out. That is a really good moisturizer. It's an amazing moisturizer, very light, very airy, and amazing smell. The next one I have is a mini. This is the MAC Prep and Prime. This is a mini that I got a while ago when I was buying some MAC products, and I'm done with this. This is a really good, like Max Fix Plus is amazing. The next one I have is something that I don't use, Lalit uses. This is in Tamil, and I don't think you guys can understand this, but this is called as Kabasura Kudineer. Now this is basically, it's written over here as well. It's called Kabasura Kudineer. So this is actually a Sastric classical medicine. So this is basically, we used it during the COVID time. I did not use it, Lalit used it, and he loves it a lot. So I have ordered it because my cousins live in Chennai, so they're sending it again. It's a really good one. It smells amazing, but it's very it's like Karela, the smell of Karela. That is how it smells, but it's really good for the health. That is what it is. The next one is this one. This is the Nivea's Face Delights. This is in rose, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, this is in the scent rose. It's a proper moisturizing face wash. I've not used it. There is a little left in it, but I think this is expired. That is why it's here. But it's okay. It's not that good. It's not that great, but it does the good job of cleaning your skin. So I feel like that's good. But if you're somebody who has acne prone skin, be a little careful with it. That is all I'm going to tell. The next one I have is a hair serum. This is the Streaks Professional Hair Serum. This is also almost done, but this is expired, so I'm not using it anymore. This is a really great serum. It gives amazing gloss and shine to your hair. I love this one so much. I already have a backup of it, so not a problem. The next one I have are like 2 conditioners. These are from BBlunt. These I got like a while ago. This is for intense moisturization, and this one is for perfect balance. These are like 2 conditioners. I'm almost done with them, but these have also expired. Like I bought them in 2017, you guys. Like literally I've been hoarding a lot. So yeah, I did use them for a while, and I really like them, but I feel like I'm not somebody who likes to use conditioners, so I kind of use only the Pantene one. Apart from that, I don't use anything. The next one I have is also another conditioner. This is the Himalaya Herbals Damage Repair Conditioner. Now this also is almost half empty. There is still a little left, but I'm not using it because 1, it is expired. 2, I do not use conditioners anymore. I like to use a leave-in conditioner like Pantene, and I use a lot of serums and shake-in sprays and all of that. So I don't use a conditioner on my hair, at least now. The next one that we're talking about conditioners, let's talk about a hair product. This is the Head & Shoulders 2-in-1 Dandruff Control. Now this is what I used to use. I am using something else now. I'm trying it, like it's been only 3 to 4 days that I've been using it, so let me know. But this is a really good one. This is a typical Head & Shoulders, yaar. Matlab bachpan se we have been using that. Now let's talk about bath products. The first one I have is this one. Like you can see, I've like completely emptied it up. This is the Dettol's bath This is a shower gel from Dettol in the fragrance Satsuma and Orange. This is lovely. It is amazing. It has that typical tropical kind of a scent, and if you're somebody who likes that, amazing. I'm like almost done. I'm not almost done. It's like empty. There's nothing, and I really like this one. This shower gel leaves your skin super clean. That is what I feel. The next one that is expired because of no traveling is this one. This is a Think Skins lemon wash. Now I really like this one, but this is expired because I couldn't travel. I used it in my Singapore vlog. I've used this throughout my Singapore because I do not like to use those that we get in the hotels. I like to carry my own shower gel because I get very icky when I use them. So that is why I carry my own shower gel. I know I'm extra, but yeah, I'm very disappointed. This is amazing. It smells like lemons, you guys. Lovely, and it's only for 49 bucks. It's really good. Another one that I completed is this one. This is the Lux Velvet Touch shower gel with jojoba and almond oil. Sorry, with jasmine and almond oil. This is really good. This smells literally like your Luxka the soap, not the pink one, the white soap. That is how it smells. Really good. A good moisturizing shower gel. Another one that I have is this one. This is the Colgate Plaques mouthwash. Now I really like mouthwashes because I don't usually have a habit. Now that we're sitting in the house, we're not talking to anybody, and it kind of gets it a little difficult for our teeth oral hygiene. I did a complete video about oral hygiene. This is how it looks like. Go give it a watch. You guys will understand what is the importance of oral hygiene and all of that. So mouthwash is a must. So I use the Colgate one. I did use the Listerine one as well, but at present I'm using something different. I will come up with all of that in my favorites videos really soon, but that is what I feel. The next one is something that I'm so sad, but at the same time so proud. It's my eye lens liquid. This is my lens liquid. This is from Bausch & Lomb. This is almost expired. Yeah, it's expired. This is in 2017. Even if it's like 2 years, it's expired. And I am like literally throwing it off because I don't use lens anymore. For people who don't know, I had my LASIK treatment. This is how the video looks like. I did like a bunch of videos on it. I did a chit chat get ready with me. I did vlog the entire LASIK experience. At the same time, I vlogged what you need to have in a hospital bag. These are how the videos look like, and I will leave it in the cards, so check it out. These are very helpful videos and really useful as well. Next couple of products are pastes, like toothpaste. I'm done with 2 of them. The first one is the Pepsodent Whitening. Now this is what I told in one of the videos. I think in the oral hygiene video I mentioned I just got this because this was the only one that was available मेरे घर के बाजू वाले में. But it's a really normal like typical Pepsodent paste, but I really like this one. This is the Pepsodent Cavity Protect. This is like the typical Pepsodent, okay? I really like this one more than this, but I use both of them. This kind of like, you know, I feel like the plaque coming back after like 10 hours or 12 hours, but this I really like it. Like until I brush the second time, this works really good. So this is my favorite. I already have stocks of this because I don't want to run out of it. But yeah, these are the 2 that I'm completely empty. There's literally nothing. One that I have is actually a fragrance. Now this is how the fragrance looks like. This is, I got it from Kalanjali. This is their fragrance sachet. In this fragrance, apple cinnamon. This is actually for uplifting and stimulating. I'm not a fan of this. This did not work for me. I couldn't get any smell out of it. Like unless I go inside it and smell, I couldn't like get any smell out of it. So not a fan of that. But yeah, I'm done with it completely. It came for about 30 to 31 days or 32 days. The next couple of products that I have are really my amazing and favorite products. The first one is the Wet n Wild Cucumber setting spray. I love this one so much. This is amazing, you guys. I am literally using the last setting spray that I have. That's from PAC. But once that is done, I'm definitely going to repurchase this one. This is amazing. I love it so much. I like to like spritz it all over. The only thing is it's very tiny, but at the same time it's very affordable. So I really like this one. Another favorite of mine is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Setting Spray. Oh my god, this is amazing. This is one of the best setting sprays. These two are my go-to, and I'm definitely going to repurchase these because I love them so much. The next couple of body products that I have is this one from Vaseline. This is the Vaseline Revitalizing Green Tea. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I really like this one. This smells really good. At the same time, like I'm like completely done with it. So it's really good. It's affordable, and yeah, it's a typical moisturizer. The next one I have is the Nivea. This is the Nivea Soft Moisturizer. And I really like this one. I used to use it on my face, but I stopped using it on my face because of the fragrance. So nowadays I'm not using any fragrant products on my face. So that is what it is. The next thing that I have, another empty that I have and I love, is this one. This is the Bajaj Almond Drops. Almond, whatever you want to call it as. This is the non-sticky hair oil. I really like this one. I did a hair video. It looks like this. You can check it out. I really like this oil. I've like completely used up. I'm not able to get this little part, but it's a really good hair oil. It's non-sticky. It gives good hydration. Really like it. Now let's talk about some high-end products, like makeup products. The first one I have is this one. This is the Estee Lauder's Advanced Night Repair. Oh my god, I love this one so much. This does wonders to your skin, and I want to repurchase it, but it's very costly. It's expensive as hell, but I'm definitely going to repurchase it very soon. But I really like that one. Another one that I like from Estee Lauder is their Revitalizing Supreme Eye Cream. This is how it looks like. I've like cleaned it out. Really good again. So sometimes what I used to do is when I was done with this, I used to use this, or I used to carry this everywhere because it's easier in a tub. So that is what I really like. Oh my god, Estee Lauder's eye products is amazing. Love them so much. Next moisturizer that I love so much, that I have like repurchased boxes of it, is the Clinique Moisture Surge. Like it's empty, you guys can see through the glass, but this is the Clinique Moisture Surge. This is the 72 hours, but now they have the 100 hours replenishing hydrator as well. Love this one. This is my all-time favorite moisturizer in any season, anytime. Amazing. Another one that I have is from the Face Shop, I think. This is the Yevadam Revitalizing Cream. Not a fan of this because it has a little bit of fragrance, I feel, and I'm trying to avoid fragrances on my face, at least on my face. So not a fan of it, but it is really good. Another favorite, absolute favorite and a must that I have stocked up so many times is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. Oh my god, I love this one so much. This is amazing. This is beautiful. This gives my lips the amount of hydration it needs. It requires lovely. I cannot tell more good things about this particular product. I already have tubs and tubs of it already restocked in my wardrobe. See, like I told you, this is an empty. I already have another empty as well. So I am like 2 Laneiges are done. Like literally I've like scooped every bit out of it. Really like this product. It's amazing. I have like 2 empties, you guys, of the same product. You have to know how important and how beautiful this is, that I have like 2 empties. Love it so much. Another body lotion that I have is also from Vaseline. This is their Cocoa Glow. Now I really like this one, but I feel like especially during winters it is good because mine is a normal skin type. So in summers it kind of gets a little more sticky, but in winters this is a perfect moisturization. I really like this one, and Vaseline is known for their moisture game, so I love it. I have another Nivea Soft Glow thingy. This is the Nivea Soft, the bigger one. I really like this. I used it all over my body. I did buy it for my face, but it has very strong fragrance, like I told. So yeah, not a fan, but I really like it. Next thing I have is some of the Ghar Ka thing. Now this is this one. This is the Tide Pods 3-in-1. Now every company, like every what do you call them as, like surf ka companies coming out with their own pods, so that you can directly put it on with the clothes rather than putting it in the putting those surf and all of that in that draw thing. But personally, if you are somebody who has like a lot of sweat, or if you have if you're just a person, you just wear a little clothes like for some time, you have no sweat, no like excessive sweating on your body and all, this works really good. But if you're somebody who sweats a lot, or you have some other like, how do I tell you, any stains on your clothes or anything like that, this won't be enough. You have to go in again with another round of surf. So I'd say if you are somebody who really has like literally no bad this is like for those basic clothes, okay, like I'm wearing a cloth like this, okay, this shirt, and I can just throw it in the washing machine, it works. But if you have stuff, stains and all, the pods don't work a lot. Another favorite of mine is this one. Oh my god, this, I've spoken to you guys about this as well. This is the Live On Shake and Spray. I love this one so much that I already have another backup of it right in front of my vanity. So you guys know how much I like this, so I've already repurchased it. I'm gonna put this right here because it's getting difficult for me to like scour. But another one that I've never used till today is this one. This is the BodoPlus Zero Oil Zero Pimple Face Wash. I've never used this and it completely got expired, so I had to like I'm chucking it out. But this completely says over here as well, not to sell individually. So I think I got it free for something, but I don't use any different shower gels or face washes like that. I stick to my basics. Another one that I have from the Face Shop is the Yevadam Revitalizing Emulsion. This is how it looks like. Oh my god, this is really good. This is much better than the moisturizing cream that I showed you guys. Really good, but it's very expensive, and I have a lot of moisturizers. So once I'm done with all the moisturizers, maybe then I'll think about it. Another one that I have is completely like this. This is a lip gloss. This is from L'Oreal. This is the L'Oreal in the shade 303 Rouge Allegro. Okay, now this though, like it smells so bad. I don't know what, it went wrong or something, but it's such a pretty color, you guys. I'll show you guys right here. It's such a beautiful glossy kind of a color, but it smells really bad. So yeah, not a fan. But yeah, I've used it for a while, but it smells really bad. So because of the smell, I'm like letting it go. I have two more. Another one that I have is this one. This is the Bath & Body Works Wallflower in the fragrance turquoise waters. This is a really good fragrance. Now Bath & Body Works fragrance, I don't need to tell you guys about anything. It's amazing. They make the best quality fragrances, and their wallflowers specifically are really good. So yeah, I really like them. I already have stocks of them, so I don't need to buy them for now. I'm good for another 6 months. And the last few that I have, I'm chucking out, are my lenses. Oh my god, I'm chucking out all of my lenses because I don't need to wear them anymore. But yeah, my lenses are the last of those. It's an end of an era because I've literally worn them for like 13-14 years now. And yeah, those are all my product empties and product like very mini short reviews. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, come join my family, you guys. It'll mean a lot to me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.